Maute Mісhеllе Rੋdrіguez is a popular actress based in America who had hit sudden fame from the blockbuster film Gіrlfіght, released in the year 2000, where she had blessed the silver screen with a flabbergażtіng role of a boxer girl. The film had received immense praise and had eventually led her to win several awards. Early life. Mісhеllе Rੋdrіguez was born on the 12th of July in the year 1978 in the Ẓan Antоnіo region of Texas to parents Sarmеn Mіlаdу Rоdrіguez and Rafael Rоdrіguez. With her father serving the army, she had spent 3 precious years of her childhood in the Dominican Republic from the tender age of 3. She had then shifted to Puerto Rico at the age of 11 and had finally shifted to New Jersey at the age of 17. Her tenure in the field of education was not very cozy, and she was discouraged from school 5 times. She had, however, enrolled for attaining a degree in business, but had soon drifted towards acting with the sole aim of becoming a successful director. Age, height, and weight. Being born on 12 July 1978, Mісhеllе Rоdrіguez is 43 years old as of today's date, 20th February 2022. Her height is 1.65 meter tall and her weight is 54 kg. Being extremely talented, Mісhellе Rоdrіguez has cracked the audition for Girlfriend, victoriously leaving behind a total of 350 candidates. The film, thought featured on a La Budget, had turned out to be an instant hit, leading her to the dice with several awards and appreciations from the critics. After a stunning performance, she had secured her growth in the film The Fast and the Furious. Henceforth, she had also gathered several appreciations by her performance in the film Resident Evil in the year 2002. After which she has seen in a popular film like Blue Crush as well as SWAT. Awards and achievements. Mісhellе Rоdrіguez was honored with the Screen Actor Guild Award in the year 2006. Her performances were awarded National Board of Review USA Gotham Awards and Las Vegas Film Critics Society Awards in the year 2000. She was blessed with film Independent Spirit Awards in 2001, Alama Awards in 2006, Amazon Foundation Awards in 2004 and VDKUF Awards win the year 2016. Net worth and salary. Mісhેllе Rödrіguez has been a very versatile actor and has channeled her talent in the rightest direction. Choosing acting as her career had proved to be immensely beneficial, leading her to the stairs of success in the industry. Her performances in television, animation as well as several hit films have eventually led to the approximated net worth of Mісhеllе Rödrіguez to be $40 million as of February 2022. Mісhеllе Rödrіguez has seen many UPS ups and downs, owing to several legal allegations marked on her. She had, however, defied the odds in the life and has thoroughly escalated in her life with immense success and fame, having performed extravagantly in many of the blockbuster films, the television series to date.